see here. Just hold on, guys. We'll get going here. 1 minute. Just getting everything checked. Okay, there we go. I think we're good to go. Let's see here. Tweet it out. If people are interested in it. Make sure we are go. Broadcasting good. Okay, here we go, guys. We're going to get started here. Let's do what I can here to try to push the GoFundMe. This is Jonathan Cordova, the owner and CEO of Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation, coming to you live from home base. Yes, I'm live on Twitch. I'll go into YouTube afterwards, but we need your help. If we're going to raise the funds, this is where we're at right now, this goal. We really need to get the funds here quickly so we can get the car down here in time for Railroad Days this September, at the end of September. So we want to try to get it here end of August, beginning of September. And we still have a long ways to go to get to the 17K goal. So let's keep doing this, guys, because we need your help. I've already pitched in a lot of money that I can on my end from doing games and stuff, so that way it will help at least get somewhat to where we need to be. But it's still not good enough. We need to keep raising funds, so if you're able to, please donate. Just look at how far we are. We've already jumped. We're at 1,868, and that's what I put it at. From the big, like the 11, 3, 2, 3, and 1. So, we're at 11%, so we are still behind. But we need the help, all the help we can get to raise the funds. So, if if you haven't scanned the QR code yet, make sure to scan it because on your screen, because that will be how we get funds coming in for the J. Marie. Also, we are working on getting some more cars here. We got Railrunner coming, cars coming from Railrunner, so that's going to help us, which is a great help. I have a great team over at Railrunner helping me with it, so we're doing it. Because, let me say, we got to still get a lot of stuff done on the car for the J. Marie. We got to get it certified, truck certified, Amtrak certified. We got to coordinate with Amtrak and UP to get the move plan from Arizona to California, California all the way back to here, in time for railroad days. If we can't do that, then we're screwed. We have the railroad cars, yes, but we need to have at least, because the railroad cars will not have power, and if we can get the J. Marie here before railroad days, we can have power to be able to hook up electronics and stuff to it. So let's do it, guys. We need all the help we can get. Plus, if we can't do it, we can't raise the funds needed, and we need to do it now. It's time. So you have till the end of July to try to help us reach the goal. If you donate today, it will get you a shirt. It will get you a spike. There's only 5 spikes, so once we're out, the first 5 who donate will get the spikes automatically as a thank you for donating with your shirt. And once those spikes, the first 5 gets their spikes and we're out, that's it. We're not going to get any more. So, if you want to get a spike, you need to donate now, today. Scan the QR code and donate, because in that way it helps. Because this is not going to be easy for us just to do it ourselves. We need all the help we can get. So, make sure to donate today to the GoFundMe. Scan the QR code. We got donation boxes out there. We got a lot of stuff out there, and we even have our merch store. So, if you buy a piece of merch, that helps get the car home faster. So, basically, I already used all my personal funds to help me go out there to go see the car. So, I need to replenish those before I go out and go get the car. Because let me say, it's going to be a 2-day trip. Once from Arizona to California, and then another from California back to New Mexico. So we need all the help we can get. We need all the funds. And we're going to need to have supplies in that car to move us. So, donate today. Support any way you can. Make sure to scan our QR code. We have websites. We have everything up and running. Just check out our main Facebook group. Then you'll be able to see what we have to offer on there, and then the link to the website and the stores will be on there. So make sure, and of course the website, will be on there too. So make sure to donate today. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.